Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to add a custom signature with image in Gmail. So open Gmail, go to settings. Below, you're going to see all settings here button. So tap. Inside the general tab, scroll to signature. Right? So signature. Let me scroll here. Yeah. Now, basically, as you can see, I don't have any special signature. So I'm gonna hit create new. Type your text. Let's say my name. And hit create. Right. So basically, that's it. If you want to create a new one, you can add the name and click insert image icon to upload your picture or logo if they allow. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time.